Science Breakfast with me, Alan Hubbard, and the sign language interpreter is Mary Louisa Wanja. And we are having a conversation about money matters. And this morning we have a representative from ASAP Credit Limited. Her name is Claire Valentine. So Claire, before we went for the break, I had asked, you had spoken about the types of people that you give loans to, but what type of products do you have at ASAP Credit? How are they segmented? Or is it just me ukitaka pesa, we kuja nitakupatia pesa?
Okay, so we are, one of the products we have is salary advance.
Yeah.
This is for employed individuals. And then the other product is business loans. Business loans can be grouped into two, an individual business loans or a group loan. You can take it as a group. Yeah.
So break it down a little bit further. The business group loans, is it like a chama? Is it people under the same business, or is it a group of people? Say me and my producer or my head of production, we come together and we have separate businesses and we get these loans.
No, if it's a group, you have to be on the same business. So let's say if you're running a barber shop, you two have to be the sole owners of the business. So for you to get the loan. And then for the chama, you come in as a group. Yes.
Nimeona kuna watu wengi wanauza manguo. So watu kama ni stores tofauti zenye watu wanauza manguo, they cannot come because now those are
they're separate businesses. But if you're working together, both of you are the owners of the business, because we want every owner, every individual in that category to be in the paperwork.
What do you think has led to the shift in terms of what really is needed for people to get loans? Because kitambo ilikuanga tricky sana to get the loans. What has caused this shift? Because you're telling me I can even do it at the comfort of my home. Kitambo lazima ungefika kwenye bank ama to the premises where you're getting the loan from. What has led to this shift?
I think the technology nowadays has really enabled these processes to be quick. And then you have things like CRB. CRB really helps to fasten the process.
Interesting. So then does this mean that if I am not, for persons with disabilities, sometimes technology might be limiting in terms of it not being accessible enough? So then how would you look at that particular demographic if most of the operations are digitized? Don't you think there is a customer base that you might not be able to tap into?
No, it's not really in that context, because technology just helps you to do it on your phone. And alternatively, you can come to the office, we can come to you, all right? It depends with the situation at the time. So you find that instead of maybe if someone is not able to type, we'll always provide someone to assist with that. We do our best to ensure that we are all inclusive. We do not want to leave anyone out.
Interesting. Now to the tough questions. You give somebody money and this person does not, unfortunately, for one reason or the other, because sometimes they're good loans, sometimes they're bad loans. In situations, how does ASAP Credit manage loan defaulters? Because we've seen situations where your kins are being called and they even did not know that you took this money to do something.
Okay, so at ASAP, during the application process, we need guarantors. So the guarantors, you need to notify them that you're using them as guarantors, because we do not want instances where...
But loans are, for some reason, in Kenya or in Africa in general, hatupendagi kuambia wase tumeenda kuchukua loan.
Yes, I understand. But we try to encourage our clients to talk to their guarantors, because even if you have a guarantor, at the back of your mind, you know you're the one who will pay the loan. You're just using a guarantor for safety. So in most cases, most of our clients, the guarantors they have, they are very reliable, and they are aware that they've been used as guarantors. And on the other hand, and to avoid defaulting, we make sure that we give you what you can afford. You see, that's why we request for the statements and the pay slips. So we know Claire is taking this loan, she'll be able to pay this much, because we do not want to burden you at the same time, because people take loans from different facilities. So we also consider that so that we do not strain you. And our interest rates will also help you not to overstretch yourself. Yeah.
So, and correct me if I'm wrong, the people, or in instances where lenders have called kins of people they lent money, it's not that they were doing it out of the law. It's because I might have used somebody as a guarantor and they were not aware that they were put into a loan application as a guarantor.
Okay, so you see, most of the time they are aware.
Yeah.
Yes. They are aware. Of course, some people are just malicious. They lose someone without notifying them. But we ensure that we talk to our clients because we take them through the process. We tell them kindly talk to your guarantors. But also the good thing about ASAP, the reason why we get more clients is because we do not like to nudge our clients. You understand? We'll give you a flexible repayment period. Let's say if we've given you 3 months, if the 3 months elapses, you've not been able to clear your payment, you just talk to us. We're very okay with making an agreement. We can do a separate arrangement on how you repay because we do not want to start calling you every day, start calling your guarantors, coming to your office. No, we do not want to embarrass our clients.
Interesting. Then paint a picture for us, how much the different loan facilities. Say I have a salary of 25,000 Kenyan shillings.
Okay.
Let us have 2 clients. There is a client that has a salary of 25,000 Kenyan shillings, and there is a barbershop owner somewhere, and say they make 1,000 at the bare minimum a day in their barbershop. What would be the kind of loan facilities that you'd give, that you'd accord them?
Okay, so this person who earns 25,000 a month, we can give you at least half of your net salary because you see, when you look at your pay slip, we know this person will be able to afford to repay the loan, and at the same time they'll be able to take care of their bills. For the barbershop, you make like 1,000 bob a day. We look at it on a monthly basis. How much do you make in a month? After you've paid the staff, you've paid your bills, how much are you left with? Are you able to repay the loan within the specified period?
Small businesses, it's very tough for them to keep books. Then how do you ascertain this? Because unaweza kuja nikwambia hapa natengenezaga 50k lakini kwa ukweli and I cannot even show you how I make that 50,000.
Okay, you see, nowadays most businesses, they use M-Pesa. So we'll request for the M-Pesa statements or the bank statement. You just need to know that this is how your cash flow is. So it's pretty simple for small businesses.
Interesting.
And the reason why we also prefer giving small businesses, we want to elevate people who are starting. Because for a big business, you can get a huge loan, but for us, you can get from as low as 20k.
From as low as 20,000, and the maximum?
Maximum depends with your business. So that's a conversation we can have.
If I came to you and I need 100 mil, I will get it.
As long as your business can afford it.
I will get it. All right. I want us to take a quick break, and when we come back, we'll be on our last segment of the conversation. And I want you to share a little bit of tips. You've spoken about people taking loans from different facilities. I want you to educate us a little bit about how should we be able to manage our loans, because the economy is a little bit tough. And you'd find somebody borrowing here to pay here, and then they borrow to pay the other loan, and also to pay their bills. First, as a person who is experienced in money conversations, how do we even find ourselves here, and how can we get ourselves out of that? All right?
Okay.
All right. We're gonna take another quick break.